COVID and OSCE changes. In the year 2020, a lot of us have to go through the outbreak of the COVID-19 virus and its effect. Similarly, NMC, OSCE, Part 2 test of competency had to do a lot of changes. I'm going to highlight these changes which are currently running. It will be continued until this OSCE is continuing. The new OSCE curriculum is coming into place from April 2021. Please don't forget to watch my next video. I'm going to clearly explain about the new changes that are coming into the OSCE, whether you are going to be affected. Please understand, you don't need to rush to go to book the OSCE. Now let me highlight the changes currently on with the current curriculum if you have given the OSCE 2020 and continuing the OSCE. And a lot of you might have already booked the OSCE for January, February, March and April and trying to rush to get the OSCE through, which you don't need to, which I'm going to highlight in the next video. I said don't forget. Let me highlight the changes which they made in the year 2020 due to COVID. First one, in the assessment station, if you see what changes they made, you have a mannequin and you got to talk to the mannequin as a real person. There won't be real actor in the assessment station. The examiner is going to be the voice for your mannequin. And they're going to ask you, or they are asking you, please treat the mannequin as a real person. In the assessment station, if you look at, there won't be any physical equipment given to you. There won't be blood pressure machine, there won't be any thermometer. You only need to talk through how you're going to do the vital signs. And the physiological parameters will be given in writing in a flashcard for you, or the assessor, the examiner, going to verbally tell you if you are asking. The other changes you need to understand, basic life support, that's been removed, which we call it as in-hospital resuscitation. Many of you thinking, thank God I don't need to do the compression and I don't need to worry about the depth and rate of the compression. If you look at many stations, they give you the information that initial checks have already been completed in this station. What does that mean? ID check introduction consent has already been done for you and you only need to directly proceed to perform this skill. For example, ANTT station, they will tell you in writing or verbally they tell you before you start, initial checks have already been completed including the allergy. So you directly need to go for hand washing and prepare the trolley and equipment. There are few changes happened with the timings of the OSCE. If you look at ANTT used to be 17 minutes, they reduced to 15 minutes. IM injection subcutaneous, they increased the timing to 15 minutes recently. And all other skill stations are going to be 12 minutes each. Most importantly, you have to understand, now one examiner going to assess you for all 6 stations. And you're going to stay in one bay for all 6 stations. I'm sure that that's going to continue with the new curriculum. And they have highlighted that, okay, this is working really well all across the 3 centers. So one examiner is going to be there doing the assessment for all 6 stations for you. And you're not going to be moving across between bays. Introduction of MSU and urine analysis and fluid balance has been an eye-opener for a lot of you. MSU urine analysis, I have seen a lot of you are struggling to pick up the color change. When you dip the urine analysis, dipstick into the urine and cross-check with the reagent bottle for the color change, you got to be absolutely sure about the color changes that's happening. And few of you are struggling to pick up that color change. Fluid balance, I know it's easy to calculate the input and output. Check out how many of you are struggling, to add up the total for input and the output. So these are the main changes are currently in the OSCE, which will be continuing until the new OSCE is introduced. As I said earlier, I'm going to highlight here again, so please don't forget to watch my next video where I'm going to highlight about the changes are coming into place in April 2021. Thank you for watching this.